So you can't have life without cells, you can't have cells without membranes. Some of our vitamins are lipids, the fat-soluble ones are lipid derivatives. And even some of our hormones are lipids. This is a so-called eicosanoid, but all the steroid hormones, the sex hormones, they're all lipids. So lipids pervade our biology in many different ways. There's many reasons to be interested in them. And so let's dive in and look at some of the constituents, starting with one of the stars of the lipid show, and that is fatty acid. Fatty acid is just one long string of these sorts of things. Methyl groups connected to a carbon that's a carboxylic acid, which we'll detail. So you just have a long hydrocarbon tail, as it's called, CH2 groups, ending, the last one would be a CH3, and usually you don't bother writing all this stuff out, you just draw it this way, where the hydrogens are implied. This is a fatty acid. It's an acid because it's got this carboxylic group, which was in its protonated form neutral, but it is a weak acid and it will give off its proton to yield this carboxylate salt, as it's called. So this is a fatty acid. It's amphipathic, to dredge up an old vocabulary term we learned in the first couple of lectures. That is, it's got a hydrophobic, non-polar end, and this of course, this end of it is very polar. This likes to interact with water. It's got a negative charge. It's got these polar oxygens. So polarity mixed with non-polarity, that makes it amphipathic.